In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit bank rules in Xero. Bank rules are a great way to speed up your bank reconciliation by letting Xero automatically suggest how to code your transactions. But as your business changes, those rules might need to be updated. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can confidently edit an existing bank rule. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look towards the top of the screen for the main navigation menu. Find the option labeled Accounting. This is where Xero groups all of your financial and bookkeeping tools. Go ahead and click on Accounting. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your accounts and reporting. In that drop-down, look for the option called Bank Rules. Depending on your setup, it may appear under the Bank Accounts or Bank Reconciliation section, but it will clearly say Bank Rules. Click on Bank Rules to open the Bank Rules page. This page lists all the rules you've created, usually grouped by type, such as spend money, receive money, or transfer rules. Take a moment to locate the specific bank rule you want to change. You can identify it by its name, the conditions it uses, or the bank account it applies to. If you have a lot of rules, you might need to scroll down the list to find it. Once you've found the correct rule, look to the right-hand side of that row for the option to edit it. There will be an Edit link or button associated with that rule. Click on Edit. This will open the bank rule detail screen where you can adjust the conditions and settings. Here, you can change things like the description contains field, the contact, tracking categories, or the account code the transaction is assigned to. Be careful when editing conditions because changes can affect which future transactions this rule will apply to. After you've made your changes, review everything on the screen to make sure it still reflects how you want Xero to treat those bank transactions. When you're satisfied, scroll down and click Save to confirm your updates. Your edited bank rule will now be active and will be used the next time you reconcile